Okay, this is Santa Fe, and Hyundai Santa Fe car is there. And okay, do you know how much model is this? 2019. And 2019 Santa Fe is really spacious. It looks big. Yes, there is little damage from here. Yes, damage is there little, but not a dangerous one. Okay, this car is standing by near the wall. I cannot show you exactly from the wall. So it's 2 by 2, and if you see the car, okay, okay, this is 2019 two-wheel drive Hyundai Santa Fe, 160 miles per hour, 260 kilometers per hour. hmm Doesn't have a sunroof. Uh, let's open this. There's a bag. You can put something. Okay. Okay. This is 2019. You told, na? Okay. I'm not speaking anything because, the thing itself is very clear, and it's like, okay, this is 3.6 or what?
3 point, it's not 3.6, it's a 2.6.
2.6. And is it four cylinders or what?